Hi, my name is Bethany Esquino, and today we're going to be playing Brain, developed by Coreland and published by Sega in 1986, and let's play. Okay, so in the first round you play as the spaceship, and supposedly as you get into further rounds you play as a little spaceman who comes out of the spaceship, and he also has a little gun. But I have not made it that far. So we'll see if during the duration of this Let's Play, if I can make it that far to the next round. So I guess these are meteors or something. The purple things coming at you, and I think when you kill them, it's random. But there's like a little power up that comes out of some of the meteors that either give you like an extra blaster or take away all the meteors. And I think at one point I saw a green one as well, and I'm not sure what that one did because I didn't get a chance to run over it. I do like this game a lot. I think it's visually stunning. I love the aesthetic of this game. I just wish I was a little bit better at it. It is a little bit difficult, so that's one thing. I wish there was an easy mode because I really want to get to the next level and I just cannot do it. It's just kind of a lot going on. So this is a side-scrolling game. And all my life, I've really struggled with side-scrolling games because I feel like there's a time constraint and it super stresses me out. So be it Super Mario Bros. Or whatever, I've always panicked through those levels, and the whole game is like that. Oh, goodness. So I think that might be another reason I'm struggling here. It also took me a while to figure out how to use the controls. I'm sure it's a little bit easier using a classic arcade joystick. And goodness, there's just a lot of things to avoid in this game. You can't crash into the buildings or anything like that because you will die. Let's try again. And let's try again. And I think you can have some semblance of aiming with your blaster. I think I did it a little bit ago. Let's try again. If you press both the up key and the side or the control at the same time. Oh my goodness, everything just comes at you so fast in this game. It's so hard to avoid everything. And they never quite go away until you defeat your enemies. Oh my goodness. I was so close. See, I'm making some progress. I know I'm supposed to get past that little hallway type thing, but I just have not been able to get past it at all thus far. And we have to start all over again. I don't even know what happens when you run out of oxygen. I don't even think I've made it that far. Or air. I don't think I've made it that far without being killed to know what happens when you run out of air. Maybe we'll find out. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Definitely takes a little bit of skill to be successful at this game. I have no idea how I'm supposed to get past that. Okay, let's try our best. Oh my goodness! Oh my gosh. Alright, let's try one more time. And I'm not sure why. I don't think my blaster is working. Alright, that looks like it's as far as I'm going to be able to get. I wish I could have gotten to the next stage, but I think I need a little bit more practice. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day.